Alright guys, if you have a Pisces 40 and a Isuzu Pisces 40 3-cylinder diesel marine engine in your boat, this is what you do, okay? You take this bolt out on top, and then you take the bolt down here. Let's see if I could show you right there. Alright? Right there out. And then you get your gear lube SE90, all right, and you put, see the 400 mark right there. Put the 400 mark on your into your engine. Sorry, you're gonna need small funnels too because that hole is really small. All right, I'm gonna bolt her back up here. If you have a hard time getting some of your sorry, I'm getting this ready. If you have a hard time getting some of your nuts out because they're corroded a little bit, I'll tell you right now, you'll want to use PB Blaster right there. That stuff will get it out. And when you're putting it back in, use some of this Blaster Stop Corrosion. Alright? You can use that on anything you want, really. Alright, let me see here. Just drop the bolt back in now that you're done. And tight that bad boy. Grab your socket. And do not over tight. Do not over tighten this thing, okay? Just a nice, firm little shot there. Alright? And you're done. That's easy, okay? If you've been scouring the internet and you've been wondering how to do that, you better like my video and you better subscribe, because goddamn, to find some of that information on some of these older ones, not today. Alright? See you later. Just in case you were thinking I was BSing you. Alright, I'm trying with the light here. Damn it. Alright, there we go. There it is. It says it right there. That's for your Pisces 40. I'll show you my book, the one that y'all want. There it is. And no, it doesn't tell you everything.